from the most famous and unforgettable motion pictures of all time. A new sound extravaganza like you've never heard before. Sound Ideas is proud to present the 20th Century Fox Sound Effects Library. Get out the popcorn, because now you can count on Sound Ideas to bring to life the sounds that have helped launch so many 20th Century Fox motion pictures and make them legendary hits. The 20th Century Fox Sound Effects Library is a classic 10-CD collection packed with over 1,350 extraordinary and authentic sound effects you just have to hear to believe. There's even a complete CD dedicated to the driving sounds of many famous cars, including the original Batmobile, complete with classic chase scenes. And startling endings. Sound Ideas has digitally remastered this massive collection of 20th Century Fox sound effects to give you the best seat in the house. The 20th Century Fox Sound Effects Library comes with its own beautiful carrying case and has been carefully designed to be carried away into the Wild West. Into the wild blue yonder. Or into the deep blue sea. Sound Ideas will take you from traffic of the early 1900s to the imagination of tomorrow. In fact, this library has all the bells and whistles. Sound Ideas is proud to offer you this extraordinary new milestone in motion picture sound effects. From 20th Century Fox, it is sure to be a major hit for your productions. Sound Ideas, 20th Century Fox Sound Effects Library. Call a Sound Ideas representative today and get in the movies.